Hi guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and this is the IQ Air HealthPro Plus air purifier. Now this thing is a lifesaver. Right now we are remodeling our house, so we get a lot of dust. So we have this air purifier running 24/7 and it works great. I notice it especially at night when we're sleeping. The quality of the air is excellent, and I really appreciate that because I have a lot of allergies if the air is not good. This air purifier is pretty big, but it's very easy to move around the house depending on what room you want it to work on. You can very easily lift it up, or you can move it around because it has wheels at the bottom. I'm going to show you real quick the noise it makes in the different fan speeds. So that's 1, that's 2, 3, this is the one we use the most, 4, 5, and 6. So if you're looking for a very reliable, very good quality air purifier, check this one out, and that is my point of view.